I park right here?
Can somebody open the gate for him?
He's parking right there.
I'm parking right there.
Can someone open? Mommy, my eagle.
Your eagle?
Mommy, my eagle.
What's wrong with the eagle?
The eagle's up. It's on his side.
Eagle. There we go. Now he's better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's not space for this guy.
What about way at the end? Over there? Is there room for him over there?
Where's... I need to go behind the eagle.
Why does he need to be behind the eagle? Well, then you might have to ask the train to move down to the end, right? Hey, train. Can you move to the end, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Because so the bulldozer can be behind the eagle. They're friends, train. No problem. I'll move.
Oh. Wait, that's not a toy.
That's not a toy. Silly coaster holder. Now what do we do?
Now, we need to dig and work.
Dig and work?
Can someone open the gate? Oh, see. This is the box.
I'll carry the box.
No, the loader wheel.
Oh, the loader wheel. Well, what will I do then?
You will.
What do I do?
You will jump it right in here.
Ah.
Don't take it out.